Hi everyone who is interested in AI. Good day. I'm Dr. Goh, the Program Coordinator for the Bachelor of Computer Science majoring in Artificial Intelligence. Today's ABC series sounds a little bit scary, but it is one we all must face. Will AI replace you? The answer is both yes and no. Why yes? Well, some jobs will be replaced. The intelligence of machines has enabled them to acquire knowledge and build rules automatically. By 2022, tools like ChatGPT explode. AI tools could now generate emails, blog posts, marketing copy, and even pass professional exams. AI can also be used to write legal documents, write coding, and tutor students. AI wasn't just automating physical tasks. It was now automating thinking and communications. Well, some human roles may be replaced, especially tasks with high repetitions and predictable and common patterns. For example, FAQ chatbot, routine medical image analysis, data entry, and basic legal document review. However, we have gone through 4 revolutions, from steam engine to electricity, then computing, and now cognitive AI. Each of these revolutions replaced jobs, but they also created new opportunities. Now comes the no part. There are things that AI cannot do. AI cannot observe the world with human intuitions. It cannot understand context, culture, emotion the way we do. AI learns from us. We feed it data, we train it, we teach it rules. It still depends on us. Those who can see problems clearly, think analytically, and take action creatively, those people are irreplaceable. And those who use AI wisely, not blindly, will stay ahead. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's not about whether AI can do your job. It's about whether you can do what AI can't. ChatGPT or AI tools work best when guided by smart human thinking. Those who handle AI well are those who manage digital data well, and those who manage data well are often backed by scientists, engineers, and experts in computer science. So, don't fear AI. Learn it, use it. In this age of cognitive revolutions, AI won't replace you unless you choose not to grow. Be the one AI exists, not the one it replaces. Join us at Bachelor of Computer Science AI of Faculty of Information Science and Technology and be part of a future where you are not left behind but leading the way. Thank you, and I can't wait to welcome you into this exciting journey ahead. See you at MMU. In this age of cognitive revolutions, AI won't replace you unless you choose not to grow. Be the one AI exists, not the one it replaces. Join us at Bachelor of Computer Science AI of Faculty of Information Science and Technology and be part of a future where you are not left behind but leading the way. Thank you, and I can't wait to welcome you into this exciting journey ahead. See you at MMU.